Hi friends, welcome to Brave Solution Times. For today's video, we are gonna learn exercise 1.5 first sum. So let's get started. First sum. Using the function f and g given below, find f dot g and g dot f. Check whether f dot g is equal to g dot f. So first subdivision is f of x is equal to x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x square. So here we have to find f dot of g and g dot of f, and then we have to find f dot g equal to g dot f, or whether they are equal or not. So we are going to check this. Okay, so let's write the given part first, which is f of x is equal to x minus 6 and g of x is equal to x square. Okay, now we are going to check whether these two are equal. For that, first we will find f dot g, and then we will find g dot f, and then we will see whether these both equation are equal or not. Okay, so first it's LHS, which is f dot g. So how to find f dot g? So by definition, f dot g can be defined by f dot of g of x, and then again by definition this can be defined as f of g of x. Now here we have to substitute the value of g of x. So g of x is x square. So let's substitute this here, and then the function f of x square. So here there is no f of x square, right? So instead of here, find the function f here. So here is a function f, and this is also a function f, right? So but here in the place of x we have x square. So what we have to do, we have to substitute x square in the place of x. So the equation of f of x is x minus x. So we are going to substitute x square in the place of x. So we'll substitute x square in the place of x, then minus 6, right? So now this is our f dot g. So let's take this as our first equation. Now next we have to find g dot f, right, which is our RHS. Okay, g dot f. So by definition we'll get g dot of f of x, and by the again by the definition we'll get g of f of x here. Now we have to substitute the value of f of x, which is x minus 6, right? So x minus 6. Now we have to find the value of function g here. So here there is a function g and here there is a function g, but in the place of x we have x minus 6, right? So what you have to do, in the place of in the equation of g of x, in the place of x you have to write x minus 6, so that you will get x minus 6 the whole square. Now let's solve this. The formula for x minus 6, which means a minus b the whole square, is a square, which is x square. So x square minus 2 into ab. So 2 into 6, it will be 12, and a is x. So we'll get 12x plus b square, which is 36. Right. So let's keep this as our second equation. Now in the question we have to check whether these two equations are equal or not. So we have to check, right? So let's see, our first equation is x square minus 6, and our second equation is x square minus 12x plus 36. So these both are not equal, so that you can say that one is not equal to equation 2, which means f dot of g is not equal to g dot f. Okay, so this is our answer. Now let's go to the second subdivision. Second subdivision, f of x is equal to 2 divided by x and g of x is equal to 2x square minus 1. So first let's write the given part. Now we have to check whether these two equations are equal or not. So for that, first take our left hand side, which is f dot g. Now we have to find f dot g. So by the definition we already know that this we can write it as g dot of g of x, f dot of g of x, which will be equal to f of g of x, right? So first we know the value of g of x. What is it? 2x square minus 1. Let's substitute that here. So 2x square minus 1, and then f of 2x square minus 1. So we have to search the function f. So here there is a function f, but instead of x we have 2x square minus 1. So therefore in the equation you have to substitute 2x square minus 1 in the place of x, right? Now let's substitute that. The equation is 2 divided by x. 2 divided by, in the place of x we are going to substitute 2x square minus 1. So 2x square minus 1. So let's take this as equation 1. So this is the equation of f dot g. Now it is RHS, which is g dot f. Okay, now let's find g dot f. By the definition we know that g dot of f of x, and this can be defined by g of f of x, right? Now let's substitute the value of f of x here, which is g of the value of f of x is 2 divided by x, right? So 2 divided by x. Now we have to find, for the next step, we have to find the function g here, and here there is a function g, but instead of x we have 2 divided by x. So what you have to do in the equation, in the place of x, you have to substitute 2 divided by x. Okay, now let's write the equation 2x square minus 1. Which is 2. In the place of x you have to substitute 2 divided by x, the whole square, minus 1. Okay, this is how you define. Now let's multiply, so that you'll get 2 2s are 4 divided by x square minus 1, and you'll get, you have to multiply 2 inside, so that you'll get, you'll get 8 divided by x square minus 1, right? So let's take this as equation 2. Now let's see, this is our g dot of f. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. We have to check whether f dot g is equal to g dot f or not, right? So here the equation is 2 divided by 2x square minus 1, and here our equation is 8 divided by x square minus 1. So these both are not equal, so that you can write it as equation 1 is not equal to equation 2, which is f dot g is not equal to g dot f. Okay, can you understand? Now let's go to the third subdivision. Third subdivision, f of x is equal to x plus 6 divided by 3 and g of x is equal to 3 minus x. First let's write the given part, x plus 6 divided by 3 and g of x is equal to 3 minus x. So now what we have to do, we have to find f dot g equal to g dot f, and we'll check whether these both are equal or not. So first let's take the left hand side, which is f dot g. So how to find it? F dot g is equal to, by the definition we know that f dot g of x, and then this can be defined as f of g of x. Okay, and now we have to define write the given part, which is g of x. G of x is given as 3 minus x, right? Now for this we have to find the function f. Here it is, but in the place of x we have 3 minus x, right? So in the equation also, what you have to do, you have to substitute 3 minus x in the place of x. So we are gonna substitute it. Therefore we'll get 3 minus x, you have to substitute in the place of x, plus 6 divided by 3. So this is what we get. Now let's solve it. 6 plus 3, it will be 9. So 9 minus x divided by 3. So this is what we'll get. Now let's take this as our equation 1. Okay, now we have to prove our RHS. So our RHS is g dot of f. Now it's a g dot f. So by the definition we know that we'll get g dot of f of x, and again by the definition we'll get g of f of x. Okay, now let's substitute. The value of f of x is x plus 6 divided by 3. So let's substitute that in the place of f of x. We'll get x plus 6 divided by 3, right? Then here there is a function g and here there is a function g, but the only difference is in the place of x we have x plus 6 divided by 3. So we are gonna substitute x plus 6 divided by 3 in the place of x, right? We'll get 3, so 3 minus, in the place of x we'll substitute x plus 6 divided by 3. Now let's subtract it. So before subtracting, we have to make this term to a single term, so that here there are two terms right now. Let's take this to a single term. So 3 into 3 will get 9, so minus x. So if the minus came inside, it will be minus into plus, it will be a minus, and 6 divided by 3. Now let's subtract these two, so that we'll get 3 minus x divided by 3. So this is our equation of g dot f. So let's take this as our second equation. So what's our first equation? 9 minus x divided by 3, and our second equation is 3 minus x divided by 3. So these both are not equal, so that you have to write it as first equation is not equal to second equation, that is f dot of g is not equal to g dot of f. So hence by our question we have checked whether f dot of g is equal to g dot of g or not. Now we have proved that these both are not equal. Now let's go to the fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision, f of x is equal to 3 plus x and g of x is equal to x minus 4. First let's write the given part. F of x is equal to 3 plus x and g of x is equal to x minus 4. Now we have to check whether f dot g is equal to g dot f. For that, first let's take our left hand side, which is f dot g. So f dot g, by the definition we can write it as f dot g of x, and then this by the definition you can write it as f of g of x, right? Now we have to substitute that in this we have to substitute g of x in this equation, so that you will get f of, in the place of g of x you will substitute x minus 4. Now we have to search the function f. Here there is an f and here there is an f, but in the place of x we have x minus 4, right? So what you have to do in the equation, in the place of x you have to substitute x minus 4. So let's substitute. The equation is 3 plus, in the place of x you will substitute x minus 4, right? Now let's keep the x as it is. Now let's subtract this, so that we'll get x minus 1, and let's keep this as equation 1. Now let's find our RHS. So this equation is f dot g. Our RHS is g dot f. To find g dot f we have to, by the definition we'll get g dot f of x is equal to g of f of x. Now here we are going to substitute the value of f of x. So the value of f of x is 3 plus x, right? So in the place of f of x we are going to substitute 3 plus x. Then you have to find the value of a function g, right? So here there is a function g, and in the place of x we have 3 minus x. So in the equation, in the place of x you have to substitute 3 minus x. So let's substitute that, so that we'll get 3 plus x, and here there's a minus 4, so you'll write minus 4 here. So let's substitute that. Here there is an x, and here 4 minus 3, it will be 1. So x minus 1 we got. So this, let's keep this as our second equation. So this is our g dot f. Now let's see, first equation is x minus 1 and the second equation is also x minus 1. So that you can say that equation 1 is equal to x equation 2, and what's equation 1? F dot g, and equation 2 is g dot f. So therefore we have checked whether f dot g is and g dot f is equal or not. Now let's get into our fifth subdivision. Fifth subdivision, f of x is equal to 4x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 plus x, and we have to check whether f dot g is equal to g dot f or not. So first let's write the given part. F of x is equal to 4x square minus 1 and g of x is equal to 1 plus x. Now we have to find the left hand side first. So left hand side is f dot g. So for finding the value of f dot g, we know the definition, by definition we'll get f dot g of x, right? Then by the definition of composition, we have f of g of x, right? Now let's substitute the value of g of x here, which is 1 plus x. So we are substituting that here, and then we'll have the function f. So we have to consider this function f, but here there is an x. In the place of x we have 1 plus x. So in the equation, in the place of x, you have to substitute 1 plus x here. Okay, now let's substitute. Here there is a 4 here, and then here is a x. So in the place of x you have to put 1 plus x the whole square, and finally a minus 1, right? Now let's solve this. So that we'll get 4 into 1 plus x the whole square. The formula is a plus b the whole square formula. A square, which is 1, plus b square, which is x square, plus 2ab. So 2 into ab is 1 into x. It will get 1. Sorry, x, right? Then minus 1. Now let's multiply 4 inside. So that we'll get 4 plus 4x square plus 4 2s are 8x minus 1. Now let's arrange this. So that we'll get 4x square plus 8x, and finally 4 minus 1 will be plus 3, right? So this is our f dot g, and let's take this as our first equation. Now we have to find the RHS, which is g dot f. So g dot f is equal to, by the definition we can say that g dot of f of x, and by definition of composition of function we'll have g of f of x. First what we have to do, we have to substitute the value of f of x here. So that we'll get 4x square minus 1. And then here there is a function g, and here there is a function g, and here in the place of x we have 4x square minus 1. So we have to substitute x in the equation. In the place of x you have to substitute 4x square minus 1, right? So what you'll do, here there's a 1, so 1 plus the x. So in the place of x you'll substitute 4x square minus 1, right? Now let's arrange it. 4x square, and here 1 minus 1, it will be 0, right? So our answer will be 4x square. So g dot of f, the answer is 4x square. Let's take this as equation 2, and see the equation 1 is 4x square plus 8x plus 3, and our second equation is 4x square. So these both equations are not equal, so that you can write it as equation 1 is not equal to equation 2. So what is equation 1? Our f dot g is not equal to equation 2 is our g dot f, right? So therefore we have checked whether f dot of g is equal to g dot of f or not, right? Now as for the fifth subdivision, the answer is not equal. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.